Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare GMC Sierra versus Nissan Titan. We'll dive into their core differences, helping you decide which truck best fits your needs. We'll cover everything from engine performance and towing capabilities to interior comfort and available technology. Stay tuned as we break down the specifics of each vehicle, giving you a clear picture of what both the Sierra and Titan bring to the table for truck enthusiasts and daily drivers alike. When it comes to performance, the GMC Sierra offers a range of engine options, including a robust 6.2-liter V8 providing impressive horsepower and torque. Its maximum towing capacity can exceed 13,000 pounds, making it a strong contender for heavy loads. The Nissan Titan, on the other hand, comes standard with a powerful 5.6-liter V8 engine. While it offers solid performance, its maximum towing capacity is typically around 11,000 pounds, a bit less than the Sierra. Inside, the GMC Sierra often boasts a more premium cabin with higher quality materials and advanced infotainment systems, including larger available touchscreens. It also offers a suite of sophisticated driver assistance features. The Nissan Titan provides a comfortable and practical interior, focusing on user-friendliness with its technology. Both trucks prioritize safety, offering various standard and available safety features to help keep you secure on the road, ensuring peace of mind during your travels. Finally, let's talk about value and warranty. Both the GMC Sierra and Nissan Titan typically come with a 3-year or 36,000-mile basic warranty, along with a 5-year or 60,000-mile powertrain warranty. When considering overall value, it's important to weigh initial purchase price against features, fuel efficiency, and potential resale value. For those looking to streamline their daily routine, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals to enhance your lifestyle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.